do this. Welcome, game developers and assassins, to Mad Hen Dog Teaches Ue5. Yes. I can't see the mouse cursor again? Alright. Alright. So, the last recording crashed, and I'll give a timestamp, but the... So... Oh, my goodness. We're gonna fix the turning trigger, essentially, because in our blueprint, I'll come on, burp. Anyway, we'll. So if you remember last time, we turned right, and then we have the branching paths trigger, right? So if I turn right and then do right, so we're gonna fix this now. Before I got started, I went to event. I'll get rid of this too, just for transparency's sake. So I did event begin play, and then I did this. I duplicated this, plugged this in, and then I just promoted to a variable, and I called it pref. I'll just call it pref2. But I'm going to use pref, not pref2. So we're going to fix this now, because technically speaking, the reason why we were going right is because we were still turning. We were right turned, so we got to fix that. So let's go here, and we have to set turn. Wait, what? Set. Oh, right. Okay. It looks like I got to use pref2. Fine, fuck it. Anyway. Hit this, set turn right. We have to set that to false. But there's another thing you have to worry about, and I'll get rid of pref anyway, just for transparency's sake. So I turn right, and then I go right, and now that. What's going on? See, the thing is, when we hit that right branching path, we said we teleported ourselves to the right. Now, you'd think we'd be moving right, but we're not. We're turned around. Wait, say again? Wait, okay, one more time. Try to explain. Okay, here's the thing. When we start here, right? We start here. This is our... I really wish I could see my mouse cursor. Let's go. I'll just... Player start. We start here. So we're facing this way. Right. So we hit this trigger. We're turned to the right. Yeah. But we're not turned around. So when we go here, we turn to the right again. We're turned around. Yep. So, serious? Yep. We need to set the fact that we're turned around. So we go back into our third-person blueprint, right? And then set turn. No, I think I just called it turnaround. Is turned around. Okay. Set is turned around. And we set this to true. Oh, fuck. So now that we compile this, we can play this. And now, the thing should be doing exactly what we want it to be doing. So we're stopped. Turn right. Oh! Why is he still in our way? Yeah, we'll fix that right now. So let's go here. And I miss my mouse cursor so much. Why is it not showing up? I think I have to restart Ue5, but whatever. I have to look for a specific can SD. All right, because SDing means, yeah, once we talk to this dude, it's over. It's done, and we can continue onward. But what happens here? I mean, are we, like, how do we go back? We'll fix that. But first things first, let's just play. Okay, so run like normal. Hit our trigger. Now we can move freely. Cool. Yeah. Alright. So now what we need to do is we can move this forward a little. Ugh, no mouse cursor. Oh my god, it is really infuriating that I can't. There we go. So now I just have to move this forward a little. Move this up. And we have to duplicate. We'll duplicate you and move you around. For fuck's sake. Oh my... Turn trigger. Ugh. Choice trigger. So now I have to control duplicate it and move this up and then move this up. So that way we hit it. And now I have to control E because it's asking. Okay, so not in first person view. We also have to ask if it's well, yeah, we also have to ask if it's turned around. And I think that's my laundry. God damn it. Of all the times the laundry had to be done. But we don't necessarily need to do it here. We need to do it in our blue, in here. Why? Give me a sec. So, because I gotta think about this for a sec. We can, if we're here, we move to the right, we move to the left, and that's it. Or we can move to the back. Wow. Okay. Done. You're losing me again. Here's the thing. When you're doing a trigger like this, right? We need to say, okay, what is visible and which direction are we facing? Or are we turned around? If we're turned around, then a specific direction cannot be visible. We can't move up because it's quite literally a dead end. We can't move. We can move to the left because we're turned around. We can move to the left. We can move to the right. Or we can move back because we're turned around. Right. So when we're facing this way, we can't move to the left because, no, again, it's a dead end. We can move up or we can move to the right. So now we got to fix, so that means we have to fix the branching path. So what we'll do is we'll have up and we have to control duplicate. Let's move this down to here. And, hey. Nah. Wait, what's its anchor looking like? Why can I not find... Wait. Boop. Boop. Hey. Alright, that's fine. So now we have to edit the text. Instead of it saying up, we gotta actually say back. Back. Cool. We have to set this. Fuck. We gotta set this conditionally. Yeah. Let's go. Wait a minute. I'm having a brain fart. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Dog. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Biz. See, the thing is... Because the same can be applied anywhere. Fuck. I think we have to remake this. Wait, really? No. Yes. No. No. Let's get all the buttons. Actually, I'll just do it one by one. Visibility. Let's bind this. Create a binding. And we'll have certain conditions for it as well. And what we need to do is we need to get all actors of class. P character. And we get. And then what we need is we need to say is turned around. Get it. Wait, hold on. We can't say is turned around. We need to have a different. Hold on, let me try to English again. We need to have a different condition. Why? Because in certain levels you can't. It's hard to. It's hard for me to explain. Because the thing is, on certain conditions, right? You can't. Like the UI can't show if it's not turned around. So how do we fix that? Technically speaking, we can fix that by having a different button. Well, actually, yeah, that's how they did it. What the fuck is wrong with me? Dog? Okay, so they'd have different buttons shown at different times. That's why its UI changed all over the place in Killer 7. And so what that means is we gotta essentially make more buttons to do exactly the same thing. So right now I'm just gonna use is turned around. Get it? Boom jams. On false, let's make you visible. On true, you are hidden. You are hidden. Alright, and now we compile. So in this designer graph, so yeah, that's good. Turn around, false or hidden. Yeah. And now we go back into the designer. On left, we gotta get the visibility for you. Let's bind this, create the binding. Let's go here. I'm just gonna highlight all this and duplicate, or copy and paste it in. Paste it in here. I get rid of this. So this is left. Left. On true, you're hidden. On false, you're visible. No, this has to be the other way around. On true, you're visible. On false, you're invisible. There is an easier way we can do that too, such as promote this to a variable, but we'll worry about this later. Because essentially, like we'll fix it. Like trust me, we'll fix it. I just need to up left, back. Good, right? Yeah, I need to bind you. Okay, binding. Boom. Get rid of this. Plug this in. False, you're visible. Untrue, you're hidden. Okay. Alright then. So now we have to create a binding to hit you and you. Unless I already have one. Let me go to the event graph. Hey, event graph. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. So let's go here, and we have to do that. Highlight that, and then... Wait, what am I doing? What the fuck's wrong with me? I have to... What the fuck is wrong with me? Oh my god. It has to be the bump on my head, right? It has to be the bump on my head. legitimately has to be the bump on my head. There's no other alternative. I mean, I have no idea why I'm losing my fucking mind right now. Ah, open. No, I don't want to. Oh God, why did I? Ah, my head. Damn. Close. Oh shit, 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 shit. Thank you. Uh. What is wrong with me? I mean, Jesus Christ. Yeah, no. Scroll down, Doug. Unclicked. That's what the fuck you have to do for the back button. Unclicked. Oh my. I'm so sorry, people. My head is. So let's plug this in and then do that. Right. If I can't have choice 2, I have to make this choice 3. And then remove all widgets, and then reset choices to 5. So that way we don't get into an infinite loop. My head. Anyway. So we're done. We can play. Do that. So left is that, back is there. And yeah. So if we go right. Fuck. What happened? Why did we turn around? I gotta go to first person aim. So I have to. Okay, where is my tick event? Uh, where's my tick event? Tick. Uh huh. Uh huh. Decision time. Da da. Da. Right. So I'm gonna get the camera. I'm gonna set the first person camera. Yeah, I gotta set the first person camera to the first person camera's rotation to our camera. Set rotation. Set control. No, not get world rotation. Set world rotation. And I gotta set it to the camera. Get world rotation. So that way we're not turn around or any of that nonsense. Why was it pointing down? I don't care. Anyway, so now if we go right, that. Fuck me. We'll fix this. Da, da. Set world rotation. We have to set it to our control rotation. Get control. Controller. Let me get the controller rotation. Get control rotation. Set it to that. Add a pin. And make sure that's that. So we don't get into any fuck ups. It should work. It should work. And now go right. Ugh. What is happening? Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to pause the video because I need a cigarette. And I'm going to try calling my ma and do the damn laundry. I will be was P-Rot. P-Rot. It was the variable we made hell a long time ago in order to keep track of. It essentially, P-Rot essentially says, okay, set the control rotation to this new rotation. Oh shit, yeah. So that means we have to update it every single time. Ugh. Whenever we're using any form of triggers whatsoever. Hey, really? Yeah, yeah. So that means we have. How do we keep track of it when we're turned around? We'll deal with that later. For now, what we need to do is so we have to go to our level blueprint. Level blueprint. And then the choices. Yeah, we have to. Okay. Do I have a? Yeah, I have a PREF. So now the choices under 0. I'll get the pref to get it. Set PROT. Now we have to set it to the teleporter's actor rotation. Wait, isn't it just moving forward? Yeah, but, you know, this is just arrow checking. And then we have to set it again, but this time when we've turned. So that means we got to set it to this teleporter's rotation. So if we play this, right, aim. Oh, yeah. So that's finished. Yeah, that's finished. But we have to go into our turn trigger and essentially set this. Now I've already done the bottom part, so I'm gonna show you what I mean. So on the top part where we branch out, we essentially have to. So from here, we get control rotation, and then we have to go here and we have to set PROT to this control rotation. So that way the camera doesn't reset our position and our movement system's completely fucked up. Where's the do once? Anyway. Now, to get the control rotation. Set PROT. Goes in here. Uh, reset. You gotta reset. Okay then. So that's done. Now what was I gonna do? I think we have to turn around. I don't know. Wait. Hold on. Because we don't have anything to do back, do we? Hold on. I gotta check. Alright, so if we click back. Back. Do we need it back? I don't think so. Hold on. Hold on, let me think. So I'm trying to think of the choices for Killer 7. I honestly don't think back is an option. I don't think you need to go back in Killer 7. Fuck it, we'll do it. Wait, bro? Yeah. So that means we need to have a target point. Wait, can I not? The mouse cursor again? Do you need to update your video drivers or something? I have no idea. Well, then again, like, whatever. Let's focus. Oh wait, what am I doing? I have hot control right click. Oh shit. Undo that. Control duplicate. Control right click. So under that, let's go to on click. So under choice 3 in the blueprint editor. What's choice 2 then? God, this is what happens when you take a hiatus. Choice 2. I think choice 2 is left. Yep. Choice 2 is left. That's fine. So in here, let's add a pin. Choice 3. Yeah. Choice 3. We're essentially gonna duplicate this entire block of code. Duplicate. Choice 3. This goes in here. This goes there, and this goes in. Oh, nowhere else. But instead, we gotta use teleport 3, or target point 3, instead of 2. And I'm missing something. Yep. Ew. Let's try that out. So if we go back. What? I'll fix that later. Now, that is because we need to get rid of this. Oh, right, because it thought we were turned around. Yep. We weren't. So this should work now. Oh. Okay. Decision time, short mouse cursor. Oh wait, no, you're still turned right. What the fuck? Oh right, yeah. You need to. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So now have to go back. There we go. That's fixed. Ugh. But why can't we re-trigger it? We'll fix that later too. Right now, the last thing we need is number 2. and number 2 is turning left. But we don't need to turn left because there's no point in turning left. So that means all of this was just for facing forward. Yep. Which means what? Next week we have to deal with going the other way. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay, so what is this the end of this part? Yeah, right now. End it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers and assassins, I guess. Tune in next week for Mad Hen Doug Teaches Ue5. Yes.